I bet you're here to replace the engine air filter on your Lexus RX350, and I'm here to help. So first thing to do is, of course, we have to open up the hood. Let's go check out underneath the hood. Second part of getting underneath the hood is you have to find a little latch right here. So once you clip it on the inside, or declip it, or release it, then there's going to be a little latch right here, and it's going to go straight up. Perfect. Now we're going to have to get rid of some of this plastic. The way these plastics go in, this is interesting. This little gadget here, you have to push in, and then it lifts right out. Well, I'm going to push it from the bottom. Same things here. Push, and then lift straight out. Well, it's kind of hard to do it with one hand. So that's how we're going to get these out. So I'll be right back. And the only pin you'll have to do, the only panel that you'll have to do is take out the back part of this panel. This is the only panel that you have to take out. And now we have access to the engine air filter. Engine air filter is going to be clipped on these two clips, and it comes right out. Bingo. That's it. Now I have to use two hands to get the other one in. Alright, to get the old one out, just lift it up, take it out. It's actually not really, it's a little dirty. Not nearly as dirty as I was expecting. And then the new one, there's only one, well, there's two ways, but this way and this way, right? But there's only one way to put them in. And then, I'm going to slip this entire gadget right back in. And clip it up. That's all there is to it. And now, of course, we have to put the panel back on. So to do that, it's kind of a little harder to do this with one hand. Lays right in. Now there's a little trick to these guys. So these little clips, you have to push them out like that, and then lay them in, and then push them just halfway so they're flat. And that's the trick to reinstalling these. So you have to push them all back out like that, insert it, and then just go halfway. And that's how all of them will be put on. And bingo, it's all back together. So that's as easy as it is. It's one of the easiest maintenance things you'll have to do. Certainly there's no reason to take this into a car dealership and have them do it. It is a little dirty. But anyway, I hope this helped. And leave a message if it did. Thanks so much.